สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? Back to another action figure review. This one is Hawk, Marvel's Hawk, Avengers Age of Ultron. So you can see the every side of the packaging, and this is the top, this is the bottom. He looks he is really heavy one, the box. And let's see the interesting Avenger Initiative logo right here. The Hawk, Hasbro, the other side. I really like the artwork at the side. Yeah, black and white and gray artwork, similar to the other side. So, Avengers Age of Ultron. You can pause and read Incredible Hulk, Marvel Legend, Infinity series. This is really old and really rare. Yeah, rare condition of the figure. So build a figure Thanos comic version. So what do we have here? Bat Batrock or Batrock. Sorry if I you know pronunciation is maybe I'm not I am mistaken. Yeah, wrong pronunciation, aka. All right, this looks like Thailand box. Yeah, which is you know we enjoy the figure. Let's crack him open, will ya? This is really rare. We got a 2-pack with the Hawkbuster already. This one is MCU Incredible Hawk. Actually, not incredible, Hawk, just Hawk. Age of Ultron. When the Marvel Cinematic Universe is rocketeer to the sky, to the you know when they are really cool in the franchise. So nothing there in the box. This box is also really rare. Movie figure is usually rare in the Asia market, right? And even this guy, huge, big guy like this, the Thanos left arm like so. So I'm gonna put him this arm in somewhere. Actually, I have the not the left arm. This is the right arm. I have the left arm already. Yeah, the left arm somewhere. I'm gonna dig it up my store, my you know, my collection, and find the Thanos left arm and assemble him. So here we have the Avenger logo with the color for the box background, and here's a plastic tray for him. For a rare figure, he is really big guy in the small box like this, which is incredible as his name. So we have here is a hawk portrait without a blood vein on his face, but he looks really Mark Ruffalo, hawk, hawk owl. Okay, so let's put some light on here so we can see his his face like for real. I want to see his face. Yeah, you can see. I mean, his eye. Not not exactly capture that. So, but you get the idea, right? This is unbox video. We're gonna talk deep on this guy later on, but now we have his portrait here. Mark Ruffalo Hawk, Avenger Age of Ultron. Looking cool. So the Avenger logo right there, the A letter. Let's see his articulation. And oh, geez. I think we should put more light on it, right? So his head can turn side to side and a lot of tilt. Yeah, he can look down. Joint at hinge, maybe. Yeah, not hinge, just you know, just straight up ball joint right there, no hinge. So he can look down, not far, but I think far enough to looking down. Like look at the small guy below him, and he can look up. Not really. Yeah, it's an old body, and I wish we have a hinge for his neck articulation. All right, hop back. So let's do a T pose right here. Do more than T pose actually, because of his hand can go up really far, that far, right? More than the T pose. But we get the ugly joint right here. Anyway, his diaphragm joint can turn side to side, and diaphragm pivot to the side that far, the other side that far, and leaning back, which is okay, not much, but really big gap in here, and forward that far, crunching forward. And let's do a T pose. I think it's better than, yeah. So shoulder can rotate, and biceps swivel. Wow, double jointed elbow. Awesome, boy. It's a big character, and we get double jointed elbow for old character like this. So he can touch his own face, like punch his own face. Double jointed elbow, and wrist can turn side to side and hinge up and down. Okay. And hip move outward really, really far. For like this, he can do more than full split, which is crazy. For the old figure like this, he can do full split 100%, and he can kick forward. Let's see, can he do that? Not exactly. The ball joint is a different system or something. Oh, jeez. So we can't do that. Okay, and kick forward. We have to rotate. Yeah, we have to rotate because the ball is a different system right there. I think the joint is really, really weird. Yeah, not easy to work with. It's not easy to kick forward, but you have to rotate and then kick forward. Yeah, anyway, he can do that, and he can kick really far, really, really far, but kick like off to the side, and he can kick back. It depends on you adjust the figure. Yeah, it depends on you how you want to adjust him, because different but for 2024, this is really old figure, like almost 10 years maybe. I'm not really sure. Okay, so he can kick forward and back, and then let's see upper thigh cut right here, so he can rotate his leg like a lot, and double jointed knee, yeah, with the pin system. The pin is still here, and ankle move down really far, like Kung Fu style. Ankle move up, also that far, not really far from moving up actually, because his meat of the foot gets in the way. And ankle pivot, yeah, keep it ankle pivot, right? Okay, now he looks muscular and crazy, hawk out. So we're gonna do a superhero landing pose for him. Yeah, it's not that easy to do, but we can, we can work something out. Like hawk smash from the sky, like boom. There you go. Yeah, he can smash out from the sky like so, as a superhero landing without a problem at all. To do a little work to adjust to pose the figure. The 60 rotation for you guys here. Yeah, he can do that. Superhero landing. Let's see you guys in the next episode real soon. Bye.